light was green, okay? And here come a messenger out of nowhere. He just runs right into the middle of the intersection. He bounced up, he brushed himself off, man. He apologized for running the light. He said it was his fault. A month later, I get a letter from an attorney telling me because of my negligence, they were suing. So that's when I called Nexar. Without this report, it would have been a long, drawn-out process.
I was involved in a car accident. The father switched lanes and collided in the back of me. When the police came in, they blamed it on me. They said that I was guilty. If I didn't have Nexar with me, I would have found guilty by the police, guilty by the insurance company, and I would have been in the hole with no money. Nexar saved me.
First in September, just a couple months after I got it, I was hit, and then again in November. So twice I've used the Nexar system to help me state my case.
Nexar automatically creates a report detailing exactly what happened, with all the evidence and data needed to send to my insurance company.